Yes, good morning families and friends រុនសួស្តីពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំវិលមកទៀតហើយថ្ងៃទី4 day 4 we're here
Hat
how you guys like the logo look
and
I know I have one too I have the green one my son made it for us you guys could check it out at etsy.com Etsy store nice there's a fisherman over there
the hat.
The hat, the logo is a little small, but I like it, the one on the shirt.
What's that?
The one on the shirt is nice. Hey, is that a raindrop?
Yep.
Yeah? Is that a raindrop?
Okay, we'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
What happened for the teacher?
Yo, look at oh muy high. He got one. Lost two earlier. I was busy setting up all my gear and opened the umbrella, cutting bait. Teacher lost two. Come off. And now this is his third one. Finally, first fish. ត្រីទី1 អាត្រីទី1ទី2រួចអាត្រីទី3ជាប់ មួយ first start one in the bucket me not yet because I didn't even look at my pole was busy bent down and cut the shrimp look that's a hook size right there size 6 hook today teacher come with the big umbrella prepare with the raincoat ទៀតដៃមួយ Yeah, look at oh yeah, got the tasty dog.ងាកមកវិញឃើញកោង Oh, okay, got it. Still on? Got away. Oh, it's still there. Okay. Look, I got one too. Look at how fat it is. Map. Ui, សាច់ក្រាស់ល្អណាស់ Nah. Okay, let me cast it back up. Number 2 for teacher. Look, crew chật a tích từ phần bạt đáy. Lip. Okay, that's number 2 for you. I got a hit too, but earlier I think I snagged on the rock, but the fish is still pulling right now. Hopefully, it pull it out from the rock that I got. And maybe it's gonna help me save my hook and sinker. Let me try to reel it up. Stop them not the clean bong on. Who says no rain? Teacher says no rain. 11 o'clock and it's pouring down on me again. Teacher. Hello. He didn't want me to clown on him, so he moved far away from me. So that way I don't make fun of him like yesterday. He got a big umbrella with a raincoat today. Because yesterday I insulted him and he got so mad. He said today he's going to bring all the gear so that way I don't have to make fun of him anymore. It's coming down. Never trust the broadcast, you guys. Always have your gear with you at all times because rain is come and go. And I checked the phone this morning. The broadcast says no rain for the whole day. So what does that mean now? Look at it. Look. You can see the raindrops. Finally got my catch number 2 after the tie is stayed. I got 2 now. I Got my third one, and it's so chunky. It come off inside my bucket. Inside the bucket, look. No, it didn't come off. I lie. It was still swallow. Look, how big is that, huh? Look at that, how big it is. My third one. First and second is, first and third is huge. Teacher got some, but I cannot record him earlier. It was raining, so I just kind of like wait until he get here, then count all together. Because earlier he got 2 already, so I think he got some more, but I didn't look at him. But he know that he need only 3, so maybe he got some already, because earlier I was busy blocking myself from the rain and the wind. Got me another one right here. I was busy making a food, hot porridge, and teacher a bowl of noodle. I did not record in that I reel in, but still, that's my number 4. Teacher went over there by himself and he got 2 more. So right now he's looking for 1 more. And also me, right here, looking for 1 more. Okay, so far we got 8 now. My number 5, I got my number 5. Teacher, you got it too? Yes, he got his number 5. I beat him. I got it first. We got in about the same times, but I dropped mine in a bucket first. So we're both limit out now. He got his number 5. I got my number 5. Didn't even release the hook out yet. Look. Okay, let me start cleaning up. Look, everyone. How is this look? We got 2 sizes. I got extra large and large. Isn't this look lovely? It's another day of our limit again. Day 1 limit, day 2 no, only caught 3, and day 3 limit, day 4 another limit. Today we limit out faster than yesterday. We caught in 2 hours only. I'll make it 2.5 hours by the time we walk here from the parking spot and all that. So I'll make it 2.5 hours. Yesterday it's a little late, but we're doing good. Okay, goodbye from here. Teacher, he's packing up his gear over there. I just went to go get his fish and come and take a picture. So nice, huh? Look. See? Lovely. Another day of a lucky catch. Perch in Berkeley Marina. Berkeley Marina. Sister Chavez Park. Okay, bye. Till next time. I'm here again. It's cold, windy, so didn't have much of the capture of the video today because the wind is too strong and the rain. But now it's no more rain. Sun's bright, sunshine, but it's cold because of the strong wind. Look at it. Another day on our way home. Broadway. Gonna mất all nắng clean tiền. Why is it like that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so earlier you didn't say goodbye. Here, say goodbye.
Bye.
It was too windy.
Yeah.
And the wind is too strong, so we didn't want to spend our time talking or recording so much. Job now. Okay, bye everyone.
Okay, nhâm vô.
Maybe. Okay, we're not sure yet. Probably we're gonna head out to Bethany. We're not sure to come to Berkeley because we hear for like 3-4 days in a row already. So now we're gonna go to Bethany tomorrow. Not sure. Okay, bye everyone.
Okay, bye bye.